Welcome to Japan and More, where we answer your questions about traveling Japan. Today's question is, what are Japanese hot spring do's and don'ts? Japanese hot springs, or onsen in Japanese, are some of the most memorable traditional experiences that you can have in Japan. But they do come with some very specific etiquette. We're going to tell you everything that you need to know so that you don't have to worry about making a cultural mistake.
Today we're going to talk about what to know before you go, what to do inside the onsen, what not to do, and special situations. Let's start with what you need to know before you go to the onsen. Most traditional onsen ban tattoos. If you have a very small tattoo, you can use a skin-colored cover-up patch, or you can choose tattoo-friendly baths.
The other thing to keep in mind is that there are no swimsuits at the hot spring. Hot springs in Japan are nude bathing. They are gender separated. Women are with women and men are with men. Next, what to do inside the onsen. Well, when you first get to the onsen, you're going to go into a dressing room. When you're in the dressing room, you need to remove all of your clothing and you put it in a locker or basket, whatever is provided. For females, make sure that you tie up your hair. Your hair is not supposed to go into the water. Once you're ready, grab your small towel and go into the bathing area. Choose a stool that's vacant and have a seat. There are some handheld showers and you can take a sit-down shower. Just be sure not to stand up to shower because then you'll spray water all over the place. So they do like for you to sit down to shower.
Once you've cleaned off thoroughly, you're going to want to get into the bath. Don't jump into the bath. Ease yourself into the bath as if you're getting into a hot tub. Don't jump and splash around. It's not a pool. You'll have that tiny little towel that Becky was talking about. Make sure that that doesn't go into the water. You don't ever submerge that into the water. You can either fold it and place it on top of your head, or you can fold it and put it on the edge of the bathtub. Don't put it into the water. Then all you do is you sit back, relax, soak, and enjoy. Once you're done, you can step out, use that little towel to dry off the excess water. If the towel gets soaked, just go ahead and wring it out and then dry a little bit more. You don't need to be completely dry, you just need to not be sopping wet when you go back into the locker room.
So next, let's talk about what not to do. First, don't let your hair, the towel, or any soap go into the hot spring water. Don't swim, dive, or splash. Remember, it's not a swimming pool. Don't take photos or film. Privacy is strictly protected in the onsen. No phone calls. Don't eat or drink inside the bathing area. And keep quiet. Don't scream, shout, or talk loudly because the bath is meant to be for relaxing. But some quiet conversation is fine.
And finally, let's talk about special situations. In some places, there may be private onsen. These are sometimes available at ryokan. And this is a great option for couples, families, or anyone who has tattoos that you can't cover up very easily. There's usually an extra cost for the private onsen, and there's also limited availability.
There are also foot baths. You can find foot baths all over hot spring towns in Japan. It's an easy way to enjoy the hot springs, and you don't have to undress. Knowing these basic do's and don'ts will allow you to relax with confidence while showing respect to Japanese culture. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell us your questions about traveling Japan in the comments section below. We might answer it in the next episode.
And for more information about traveling Japan, check us out at japanandmore.com. Thanks for watching.